Okay, YouTubers, so this is going to be the first official Lowe's tool deals video. I did one last week, I believe, on the Memorial Day sale. Just the ad there, and tried to stick to hand or, stuff that would still kind of be related to the channel. But we're going to be doing this once probably every 2 weeks, just checking in to see what they have for deals as far as power tools and hand tools and stuff like that. And then I'm also going to be doing videos on the Menards website, seeing what kind of deals they have. So stay tuned for those. If you guys enjoy these types of videos, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave your thoughts down in the comments on these videos. Or if you enjoy any of these tools or suggest staying away from any of them, please feel free to share it with the others down in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'm not going to go through absolutely everything on here. I'll kind of run through it, talk about the things I would consider, and then there are, I want to say, 8 pages, so we're going to have to move fairly quickly so it's not too long. Here they have a 1/2-inch brushless drill with 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag. That doesn't seem like a bad deal. $100 down from $160. The Craftsman toolboxes, I don't know what it is, but I don't care if they say assembled in the US, whatever. Every time I put my hands on these things, like, I just feel like they're made out of tinfoil. Even the higher level ones, I just am not impressed with for the price. But I mean, if you need something cheap, I would like to tell you there are better options out there. But if Craftsman's what you got your heart set on, more power to you. I am just not pleased with the quality of toolboxes they have now. Here they have $160 for the brushless drill and the impact driver with a couple batteries and charger. That seems like a really good deal. Once again, more Craftsman toolboxes and power tools. Here you're getting a 6-tool kit. This can't be brushless. I don't know, $250. That seems like a good deal. That's a lot of tools for $250. But once again, I don't use Craftsman tools anymore, so I can't tell you as far as how their cordless stuff is. This seems like a pretty good deal. You got the Craftsman 6-gallon air compressor with a couple of nail guns and a staple gun. Here's a little bit better kit from DeWalt. You got the hammer drill, a lot better hammer drill, and they're both brushless. They're the XRs, and you also get an impact driver, some larger batteries, the charger, and bag. I was actually looking at this. I just haven't pulled the trigger on it. I've do a lot of work with my impact driver. I had the smaller 1/2-inch impact from DeWalt, and it had the exact same power as my impact driver, so I just got rid of the 1/2-inch impact and just used my impact driver. But I'm really considering getting this just because I run the DeWalt 20-volt lineup and the Milwaukee M12 lineup. So if I'm going to get a 1/2-inch, it's going to be DeWalt. I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do for here at home as far as that lineup. This is probably one of like DeWalt's cheapest drills. Nothing fancy about it. It's about as plain Jane as possible. I think for $100 you could go a different route, get the brushless, but just a better kit. Here's the 20-volt circular saw for $100, down from $130. Cobalt 250-piece mechanics set, 4-drawer. It comes in the blow molded case, little toolbox thing, for $150, down from $200. I actually use this. I've had this over 6 months now. I use it for my mobile work. It's a 22-inch mobile toolbox, basically, and I want to say it's like $80. I got it for $40 just because they had it labeled in the wrong spot. I got very lucky to get it for the price that I got it at. But I leave mine open just like this in the back of my vehicle, and it has held up very well. I'm very pleased with it. They have the $100 oscillating multi-tool. I actually just picked one of these up not too long ago for doing edge cleanup work on floorboards and stuff like that. It works fantastic. Here's a little DeWalt bit set. You know, Lowe's has those all the time from all different brands. The Cobalt, this is like their top of the line stuff, the XTR stuff. I have just the regular Cobalt 24-volt brushless drill, and it's been great. It's got a ramp up speed, which is kind of annoying. Other than that, it's been a good drill. I got it for 20 or 25 bucks, so it was a deal I couldn't pass up. Here's a Craftsman 268-piece set for $250. That doesn't seem like it's really on sale. That seems pretty dang expensive to me for one of those kits. $30. Once again, those bits all over the place in Lowe's. Here's probably the best kit you're gonna find at Lowe's. Just got a random selection of all the garbage. I don't know. View price and card. I don't even care enough to click on it. Here's a Cobalt 106 piece shank screwdriver bit set for $27. That doesn't seem too bad if you're looking for bits and stuff like that. I'm sure it's not quite the highest quality, but here they have some Cobalt 3 tongue and groove pliers for $13. The Cobalt electronic or digital torque wrench for $150. That seems like a pretty good deal. Cobalt screwdriver set with bottle opener. It's always handy. But Cobalt does have some decent socket sets. I don't care too much for their ratchets. They're kind of bulky, your generic ratchet design. But everything else in the kit has done just fine. Craftsman screwdriver set. This one's $18. Save $4. Screwdrivers, it's kind of hard to mess up screwdrivers. So I feel like that's a pretty good deal. Gladiator, truthfully, I have a Gladiator cabinet, and it's nice, but I can't speak as far as the toolboxes. They look kind of thin. I think I've looked at them before. I think there are better options out there. Just basing that on trying to remember the time I did see it. Now the Craftsman, they do have a couple of socket sets. They have their gunmetal one that is usually on sale. I'm not sure if this is it or not, but it actually looks like a pretty nice set, and it's one of Craftsman's tool sets now that are actually priced pretty decently. Once in a while I'll find Craftsman tools that are on sale or in a set that are actually pretty good deals, but a lot of the stuff to me is just overpriced. Cobalt T-handle, Allen keys, SAE and metric for $25. If you're looking for some T-handles, those might be a good option. See, like here, the Craftsman 21 piece, it's basically an extension set with some universal adapters and reducer adapters and stuff like that for $70. I know plenty of other brands of higher quality that are much cheaper than that. So I don't know what it is. Craftsman is just trying to sell some of their tools for just a little too much. I don't know if they're basing themselves on the tools that they used to sell back when they had a good name and good reputation. Not saying it's bad now or that the quality is horrible. I'm just saying for the price, I don't think it compares. I don't think the quality that they have meets the price that they're asking for the tools. Craftsman biomaterial handle screwdrivers, just a 2-piece set for $5. More screwdriver sets, ratchet sets, some blades. It's a Skill 120-piece steel hex shank screwdriver bit set. That seems like a pretty good deal as well. Cobalt has a 2-piece silicone organization tray. That might be handy. And just some more stuff from DeWalt and Bostitch, which is the same thing. So some decent deals going on. A lot from Cobalt, a lot from Craftsman. And then you got a lot of blades and bit sets and stuff like that, but still some decent deals going on. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope to improve upon these every time we start to do them. This is the first one, so I'll get into a better routine and things will flow a little bit smoother, so please just give me some time. But I still hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave your thoughts on the video as well as some of these tools that I mentioned. Leave your thoughts down in the comments if you would like. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. See you guys next time.